Navodaya Vidyaniketan.
Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fine. In our last class we have learned the concepts of big and small. Today we are going to do an interesting activity. We need to order these elephants according to their size. Which elephant is big? Which elephant is big? All elephants are big, isn't it? So how will we say? This first elephant is big. First elephant is big. Then this second elephant is bigger. The second elephant is bigger. And this third elephant is the biggest. This third elephant is the biggest. So children, now we can classify more things according to their size as big, bigger and the biggest. Now I am going to order these fishes according to their size. So first one is big. Then second one is bigger. And the third one is the biggest. Then I am going to order these triangles according to their size. Big, bigger, biggest. Next, I am going to order these squares according to their size. Big, bigger, biggest. So children, look here. Biggest, bigger, then big. Biggest, bigger, big. Biggest, bigger, then big. Now I am going to order these elephants according to their size. So first one is big. Second one is bigger. And third one is the biggest. Then next we will compare small objects in the same way. Let us make small chapatis using this clay. So I am going to make chapatis. This one is small. Then the second is smaller. And third one is the smallest. We are going to classify more example like this. So this apple is small. This apple is smaller. And this apple is the smallest. Then look at this cat. This cat is small. Then this rat is smaller. And this ant is the smallest. Children, look here. What is this? This is snake. I made it using palm leaves. Is this snake long? Tell me. Yes, it is long. Then I am going to place it here. Then look second one. This neck is longer. Then third one. Third one is the longest. Now I have yarns with me. Look here. I made earthworms with these yarns. Can you order them as long, longer, longest? I am going to order this according to size. Long, longer, then longest. Now I have some clay with me. We can make caterpillars with this clay. Look here. Make small balls like this and I am going to make caterpillar. Then next, roll it like this. Here there is 3 caterpillars. This one is short. The second one is shorter. And third one is the shortest. So I am going to place it here. Shortest. Then now we can arrange these frogs according to their size. Short, shorter, then shortest. Next, look here. I have 3 candles with me. I am going to order these according to their sizes. Short, shorter, shortest. Short, shorter, shortest. Now it is the time for activity. Can you see 3 sticks? So our first activity is that we are going to paste these sticks according to their size as long, longer, longest. So this stick is long. So I pasted it here. Then this stick is longer. Longer. Then the third stick is the longest one. Okay. Then next we have to order these leaves according to their size as short, shorter, shortest. This leaf is short. This leaf is shorter. And this leaf is the shortest. Okay? So children, do this activity, take a photo and send that to our WhatsApp group. See you in the next class.